So, good morning, everyone. Today we will discuss of Python program using type, open, and close parentheses function. Example program using type, open, and close parentheses function. Integer value, string value, float value, boolean value, less tuple. Display the data type of each variables. Print, open parentheses, type, variable x, print, open parentheses, type, variable of y, print, open parentheses, type, variable of z, and print, open parentheses, type, variable of e, print, open parentheses, type, variables of p, print, open parentheses, type, variable of c. This type open parenthesis and close function is built-in Python function is used to check the data type of a variable or value. In the code is x equal to 5 is an integer, y equals to John is a string, z is equals to 3.14 is a floating point number, 3 equals true is a boolean, b equals 1, 2, 3 is a less, c equals to 4, 5, 6 is a tuple. The print open parenthesis type variable of x statement will display class n, class tr, class float, class bool, class list, class tuple. In simple word, the type open and close parenthesis function tells you what kind of data is stored in a variable. It helps the programmer understand what kind of operation can be performed on that data. So that's all. Thank you.